Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati bwekarigori iriya bantabati bwigo imeya uru superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya uru superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi na bwigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire biasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uru Complex imeyumuchuri go musongo eyuerange neduka Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Nechi tariki Ikomi na mutinye Ikomi na mwaka wechiru 2025 nigo chiaragire Chinsa Ikomi Ekeonga kuroiga segetaseni kia Getembe eliane nkoro kwa Dipon Asanya keroto guchikubwatera na omo nogerio ito bwebi manyererio asereta Vanessa Nyaboke genda munaintwe goika omo elio Abanyakenya robe chinsemo chia Nyamwange tombe gotoka Kitutu Masaba nigo baichanirete gekora ase gotebekana musacho yomo ase elieta miyika mainye ni gabete kago itwa n'abantu batamanyiri na gotinde kwa sorobebe goikera bono igani go abanyanyimbo baganyereire n'abamenye kenyero bensemeywe goikasayo eli gotinde kora omuberoywe nabo igobutuki gochaka senchera ya bene
kero goikirikana lyo gutwara omorembe amangana yakorekanita otwakira ase birengera ly'ebikong'u naende toge kiri mono ekiagerete ikonyarekana omuntu ikire sobo mainye gachete agachaka gokwania abantu bamintu emanye goikabure abamu aba chandikire kumurigia ase kisimi tali goto etwakwani no nyancha ali ontebiringa ekero bamurigia amatuka paka bakamwa kama ku Nairobi na abamu abonga togende kangu tumanye obokong'u wasobere babikire ki police babikire report police kurwa gasirete paka bono kuna yakite gwikera kero mugambi akitega akanyora gabire nsali mainye na kiago chanka gaiga manyama ikotoka gaitirega ki amaene na kieko nyarekana the perpetrators bali bapa nganga na kimanya goitwa uno mugambi akwanira ngotoka mule. Haiwezi chukua siku moja kutoka mule. Kero omobero yogo krosi guga immediately your fingerprints inkororeka kire. Maisa inkororeka nare. Asita yo mokwe bisa gocha. Asita yo mokwe bisa gocha. Moko itamainye brutally like this. Moko itamainye brutally like this. It's very unfortunate. Nga mo itamainye like this. Eke mai como bunia muche motebe nyuma yaye. Nki mwabune timainye moko moita naende tumeki mata asiwasi. Nande mu Michael membera mu mutindeke. Mutai ngo moita mu mweke para. Mutai ngo moita mu mweke para.
Ekeombe kia mwa mogusi nyagetinge heritage nigo litukulia lero bakorobo chori bwa barayi babo senchire yemo yogoikirania ekirenga kia ekatiba eyuerengete anene oboteneri bw'ekiombe kyo kyomogusi litukulia lero Naftali obare nigachorwa koba omunyakirogo bw'ekiombe kyo asebono abulia omogusi koba amo gose kotwara obomo nabo igo kubuli omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati kobwatisi ekiombe kyo elio kwena kianga nkegenderete gokina nabo igo kwegerera egesaku kyomogusi
Twaningore ningije bana mwangizera nare twanie gukwana mambya
Ngoro bwe mechana ne mechinini ondata atamuiche kwa mucha ngoro na koboriri ngatora egikaranse ke aito guchukwane ngoro abe no sororo konene ototegerere nchwa murigereri gwekera mukimaise ke kia Getembe rere kiombe kia mogusi getinge litichikanso gotwacha gakorobo chori twakoriro bochori obuya obochori bwo morembe
ebimira biri byarenge kare abana bare kwaroka twaro sichinyangi twaiya chisuguta na into chimanye tworokereranie into ase intwe tomanya mangana yonse
okore mirimo no bwegenu twagosese niri twakoire gwasi yugo siabora mabana masinga oborai bwao bobe obosera boseseri buna chingana ngani chire igoro
asa marieta Naftali obare aseri tukolia lero twakorira bochori bwa babuya bwa mwanya gitinge heritage council na acho rubune chairman yekiombeke buna amatuka ko genda yo tutageta abana baita basaye abandu bayigolure binyonsi abandu bayigolure salon abandu bagende mugondo kusimeka chinyeni ao egere abana abatwali njira yo konya kali bagali yo kona gwetana na busa batwali bintu barakore
gotigana nayo omoseneta bwe county omoseneta bwe county ya Bungoma omoske wa Fula David Wakoli nigo akwaniri igoro yobo chenu bora sechinya gitari anene che serikali ya Sechi county ase atebirenga barabuna bate bune committee nigo batemire gutara sechinya gitari na inde barorire amamocho anene yobo chabu kororekana ase chinya gitari gukwana yaiga na ase ege karo gie senate ekiyakorekana lituko lia lero ime yomocho Nairobi.
Kenyans are suffering, toiling and moiling. In hospital, they are being exposed to serious medication pain. And in their deaths, they are being dumped as if no one cares. Honorable Speaker, this House and Senators, wherever we come from, we must step up and stand for our people. Medical incinerators, Honorable Speaker, in virtually all the facilities is wanting. Some facilities are dumping medical remains, open air, and children are living around there. And when you look at the data, they have taken over 3 months before they dispose of those things. And the scenario is worse in many other parts of the country. So I want to call upon this House and my committee led by Senator Mandago. This week we'll be touring my great county of Bungoma and Kakamega. We will call a spade a spade. We'll call out these gray areas. And time is up, equally, Honorable Speaker, that the national government, as it supports counties, they must also, as they support, they must call the counties to order. because governors are turning out to associate themselves with projects that are from national government, but they want to disown their own facilities. They are hiding their own facilities and taking credit from bonga points of His Excellency the President. So we are supposed to stand firm and defend our people. Some of the pharmacies, Honorable Speaker, medicines are expired. And you find even in operation theaters, expired drugs, in ambulances, expired drugs, people working in those facilities without equipment and safety gears. How are we exposing our people to such dangers? And yet they are always crying that SHA is not remitting, and if SHA is remitting, they are not accountable to the monies that are being paid by SHA. We have to hold these governors to account, and equally the ministers and chief officers in those line ministries, because some of them believe that governors will be hanged as they go scot-free out in those counties.
Ase omochio Nairobi ekiombe gekurigereria chimbwa na kurwania obokurumi gose EACC ni nababwatani bande korwa East Africa na boigo South Africa nigo bomera na somochio Nairobi bunenchira yemo yogo kwanera chinchira chiogo Syria obokurumi gose kurwania oboibi ase batebirenga buna chiserekali niga abantu babwente kubwaterana na gokora magenderero bunenchira yemo yogo kinia ebisaku gose gokinia Chinsa kurende tari gokora oboibi ase chiserekali.
And the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission is a beneficiary of that particular support, where we are now able to recruit approximately 100 more staff within these two months, investigators and lawyers who are able to deal with the evaluation report. So within this framework, the Commission has achieved notable progress in tackling money laundering, which include an increased number of investigations targeting laundering of proceeds of crime, particularly in the procurement and public asset division cases. Two is enhanced use of financial profiling, asset tracing, and rapid preservation of assets under the ASECA. Three is we have established a jurisprudence on forfeiture of proceeds of crime with money laundering components. This has occasioned recovery of high-value properties, motor vehicles, and significant cash in Kenya shillings and also in foreign currencies. Four is the strengthened collaboration with relevant actors and stakeholders within the criminal justice sector for enhanced financial investigations. In addition to the above legislative enactment, Kenya has recently enacted progressive legislation to close emerging gaps and strengthen efforts in the fight against money laundering and terrorism financing in Kenya, which include the Conflict of Interest Act 2025. This actually provides a robust framework for managing conflict of interest in the public service and empowers the EACC to recover undeclared and unexplained assets. This particular act actually gives the EACC powers to sue, or rather to seek to recover any assets that the public officers do not declare. Initially, that was an area that was a gap in law.
Gotigana na juego ika ase county ya Rigeyo Mara Kwete abamenyi ba Chesongoch nigo bagenderete koba nomo ichano kubwatekana abamwabo nigo babwateranitiwe asukwanyoka kweliroba na gosiria amagimabo kurende go ikabono abange bechi amaticho mbaranyora abanchu babo chinga kibone serikali ya nene ya rubeirie ebirero gosamatanga chitariki 20 neyemo umutinyo yoiga asogo chikoya ni abari babwateranitiwe asumu basoka noywe kurende abo bataranyora abanchu babo nigo bari no gosemerianga chitariki echi chitaraba mbabe banyorira abanchu babo kubwatekana nigo batigarete koba na magianda.
Na tunatumaini kwamba by end of this before 21st tapata watu wote watapata wapendo wao. Mimi na imani sana.
Kijana yangu Martin Chesa hajapatikana na mtoto ya jirani Chebet bado hajapatikana.
Sasa vile sina sunguka kutafuta watoto, leo napatikana mtoto mmoja na iko nguvu akusema atapatikana tena.
Tunawaomba kama kuna bali wengine foresi ya Kenya, saidia, utusaidie, mtusaidie,
nigo chia butokire chitaeka 13 igoro ya Chinsa Ikomi Ekeonga alitukeri gari ya Jumanne nigo twabwaterana korwa sense muje bimanyerero na Vanessa Nyaboke na inchini gongoro kwa Dipon Asanya gendera gusangamo 9 na boigo otengeregeta seni kya Getembe ase ali atikire imene isiko yorogongo rwabusi ntogenderere ko bamona ya semiro biro yonsi gendera ko bamona 9 goika omwelio.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya ouru complex imeyumucho yigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.